Hello, my name is Lamo. I'm from China, and Qigong is a very ancient Chinese energy cultivation practice. Today, I'm going to share with you the Ping Shui Gong. This practice very simple, but very good effect to stimulate our smallest blood circulation and expanding our energy field. Hi everyone, we start to practice Ping Shui Gong. First, close your feet. Gently touch your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Close your eyes and breathing the earth energy all the way up until top of your head, Bai Hui point. And when you breathe out, guide the sky energy through your body all the way down to the Yongquan point at the bottom of your feet. Breathing the earth and sky energy through your body 3 times, back and forth, up and down. And then you slowly open the eyes. And left foot, leftwards 1 step open. And check your toes, pointing your toes forward. And slowly facing your palms backwards. Feel the energy from backside, pushing your arms, raising up forward naturally. Until the level of your shoulder. And you very slowly swing back your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do the number 5th time, sit, stand up, sit, stand up. Now we'll repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have been do the palms, open palms. Now we're going to stimulate different meridian by touching the fingers. So when we raise up the arm, first we touch the thumb and the index finger together, and then we throw the arms back. And when we throw the arms back, we touch the thumb and the middle finger and back. And then the thumb with the ring finger and swing back. And then the thumb with pinky finger, and then we throw back. After 4 times, the 5th time we open the palm and we do the same. Bend the knees, sit and up. Bend the knees, sit and up. Now we do this together. So from the tapping finger, we back to open palms. We do 9 more times. Last time. Close your eyes. Allow your arms swim back naturally. Naturally stop beside your body. Just maintain your body stillness. Natural breath, belly style breathing. And you slowly raise up your arms from 2 sides. And holding energy in front of your lower energy center. Cross your palms, facing your palms to the lower dantian, to the lower energy center. Imagine the warmness energy from your palms into the lower dantian. Just gently concentrate your mind in the lower dantian. When you breathe in, hold back the belly. And when you breathe out, left foot slowly moving back. Drop your hands to 2 sides. Breathing from earth to sky, sky to earth through your body. 3 times, just like the beginning. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining us, and we have a much more exercise to share. Wish you very good health. 祝您身体健康，下次再见。